Bansang Kamao boxing champion and Philippine Congressman Manny Pacquiao muli na naman pong sasabak sa ring sa June 9 sa Las Vegas kalaban si Timothy Bradley Jr. Pero marami pong nakakapansin sa kanyang training camp this time around na malaki daw ang pinagbago ng ating kampyon. Na ngayon daw ang ating boxing idol, Bible idol na rin, nagsasalita tungkol sa salita ng Diyos, yung tinatawag nilang pagpipreaching. Ano na nga ba ang nangyayari and updates on that today on Kababayan LA.
This Kababayan LA Fight Special on Manny Pacquiao versus Timothy Bradley Jr. is brought to you by MoneyGram. Manigrado sa MoneyGram. This Kababayan LA Fight Special on Manny Pacquiao versus Timothy Bradley Jr. is brought to you by Panda Express. Try new Shanghai Angus steak with Angus top sirloin only at Panda Express.
Michael, it's seldom that I see you here in Manila, always in LA, so it's great to see you here.
It's always a pleasure to see you and have the opportunity to be interviewed by you.
It's always a pleasure talking to you, and a pressure too, Michael. Okay, Manila versus LA, which do you think is better?
You know, I think they both have their advantages and they both have their disadvantages. Here in the Philippines, we can control the crowd a little bit better, and we have more control over the entire situation. And in LA, it's not as easy to control the entire crowds inside and outside the gym. But they both have their benefits. And it's worked out well for us so far.
Talk about control, you know, Manny has full control of everything. He takes care of himself too, and he talks to people, he talks to fans, he does what he wants. And lately, so much has been said about him preaching, turning into a preacher man by night. What are your thoughts on that?
No, I mean, I'm very happy for Manny. His family's happy, his kids are happy, his wife is happy, and more importantly, Manny's happy. You know, and he's always been religious, and he's always Catholic, a devoted Catholic. And so much good has come out of this. He's changed his lifestyle. We've given away all the fighting roosters, no more gambling. We've had some business interest in casinos. We've closed those down. So there's a lot of good out of it.
And you're Catholic as well. Tell me, how has Manny's spirituality affected you, if at all?
No, it has. I mean, I went to Catholic schools all the way from grade 1 to grade 12. Had priests and nuns teaching me. I kind of got away from the Bible, even though I pray periodically. So it's also good for me because Manny has not forced me, but strongly suggested that I start reading the Bible again. And as a result of that, I stopped smoking already. And so it's good for me too. But the thing about Manny is he's not forcing anybody to attend these Bible studies. And he's not forcing anybody to, let's say, example, as myself, being Roman Catholic, to convert to Christian. So it's nothing about that. He's just emphasizing to all of us that, you know, we have to build and strengthen our relationship with God.
Manny, ang laki ng pinagbago mo. You know, I've been interviewing you nung nagsisimula ka pa lang. Talagang ibang-iba ka na ngayon. Paano nagsimula yung pagbabago na yun?
By reading the manual to life, and that's the Bible.
You know, sinabi mo kanina, and nakita ko yun nagsisimba ka, nagdadasal ka, nagro-rosaryo ka, and everything. Pero sino at paano ka nagsimulang magbuklat ng Biblia?
Basta, parang pinupost lang may nagpo-post lang sa akin na magbasa ka ng Bible. Nung nagbasa ako, nabasa lang ako ng basa, tapos hindi ko maintindihan yung mga nakasulat doon. Nababasa ko, pero kalauna na naintindihan ko lahat ng mga nakasulat doon.
Yung pinresent mo kanina, napakaganda. Sinong tumulong sa'yo? Saan mo nakuha yon? Yung mga props mo, yung mga presentation mo?
Nalit nga ako kasi inayos ko pa dapat alas 7. Dapat alas 7 ang nalit nga ako dahil inayos ko pa yung presentation.
Manny, nasa iyo na lahat. Nasa iyo ng pera, kapangyarihan, popularity, masaya ng pamilya mo, asawa mo, mga anak mo. Nasa iyo na rin yung relationship with the Lord. Ano pang pinagdadasal mo? Ano pang gusto mong makamit?
Anong makamit ko is to spread the word of God. Ma-encourage yung tao na magbasa ng Bible. Kasi maraming mga tao na ligaw ng landas talaga. Maraming tao na akala nila maliligtas sila pero hindi.
And you talked about this earlier, disbelief. Marami rin yung hindi masyadong naniniwala na medyo parang critical pa of what you're going through now.
Hayaan natin yan kasi Nandiyan nakasulat din sa Bible eh. Kung yung si Jesus Christ nga nasaksihan pa sa dalawang mata nila, sa dalawang mata pa ng mga tao, hindi nga na may doubt pa rin, hindi pa nag-believe sa kanya. Ako, hindi naman ako si Jesus Christ.
Pag nagbabasa ka ng Biblia, Manny, maraming mga turo si Lord. And you talked about that earlier. Hindi madaling gawin lahat eh. Hindi madaling magpakatao. Mahirap. Mas madaling magtanim ng galit, mas madaling magalit, mas madaling magselos, mas madaling magmura. Ano sa mga utos ng Panginoon ang hanggang ngayon nahihirapan ka pang sundin?
Walang mahirap pag may Word of God ka. Yeah, walang mahirap. Walang mahirap.
This Kababayan LA Fight Special on Manny Pacquiao versus Timothy Bradley Jr. is brought to you by Panda Express. Try new Shanghai Angus steak with Angus top sirloin only at Panda Express.